Alright, do a little bit of some touch up. And go ahead and put a second coat on this magazine. I know you're supposed to wait until it fully cures, but I'm playing catch up, so we'll see how this works. I did blow dry it completely dry though, so should be good. We'll find out once I put the blow dryer to it a second time whether or not this is a bad decision or not. It definitely needed a second coat though, my fire. So I think it'll need a third one. But whether it does or not is irrelevant, because tomorrow I'm gonna put a third coat on it. And then I will do my first coat of black 3.0 the next day. Alright, looks good to me, and I'm done for tonight. See you, YouTube.